Good afternoon, YouTube family. It's a very good afternoon here from the capital city of Zambia, Lusaka, Zambia. We are actually opposite the main post office here, which used to be called Fred Joe Auction, and I've brought Mr. Blue here to be sorted out. We actually found out, the mechanics actually found out that Mr. Blue has got a problem with the injector, so they are sorting it out. Just have a look. So these are the mechanics, and this is, what's your name, my brother?
This is Joshua, and we are Pansa Diesel Services.
Where are you located? In case the customers who are suffering from this same problem want to sort out their car.
We're located at this is Limbi Complex along Cairo Road.
Yes.
Right opposite the main post office.
Yes. So what about your contact numbers?
You can reach us on our contacts 0977
yes
79 3332, and also on our Facebook and our Instagram platforms as well at Pansa Diesel Services.
Pansa. Thank you. So this is it. Yes, it's called Pansa Diesel Services. So they found out there was a pipe which was loose down there and it was letting air in, but they've also found out that the injectors are not firing the way they're supposed to be firing.
That's Jameson.
That's Mr. Jameson Simemba, the diesel mechanic. And what's your name?
Emmanuel Samba.
Emmanuel Samba. So they are the gentlemen who are doing an operation on Mr. Blue. Mr. Blue is under an operation, concerning the injector. So that's it about Mr. Blue. And I will be updating you. I will be updating you on how we are faring with Mr. Blue, because he was taking out some blue smoke, which means the injectors are not firing very well. And we also got some onlookers here. Where are you from, my brother?
From here, just here. These are our good guys.
Okay.
Diesel Services.
Thank you very much.
Good guys.
And what's your name?
Mando is my name.
Mando, nice to meet you. And yourself?
Nice meeting you, John.
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 Nice to meet you. Thank you very much.
So Mr. Blue is safe here, I guess.
Yeah, I believe so. Yeah, we're in their hands. Yes. Yeah, so that's our onlooker is supporting us, and so I'll update you once Mr. Blue is up and running, because we are supposed to be going back to the Copper Belt today, this afternoon. So I'm sure Pansa Diesel Services will do a great job, but I'll update you. And if you're having a problem with your diesel car, the gentleman has given you the numbers where to reach them, and you can sort out your injector pump or your injectors. These are the guys. This is the workshop where they have brought the injectors to. They've got a calibration machine over here, and this is where they do the other calibration for the injectors. As you can see, they are busy testing them and finding out what the pressure is all about. So I'll keep you updated, and I'll let you know once we have sorted. So Mr. Blow has been, what did you replace?
So we replaced the injector nozzle tips.
The tips, yeah?
On the tips, they were worn out. So we replaced the tips, and this is the performance of the nozzles. After we replaced the nozzle tips, which were blocked.
Yes.
Now they're firing where they should be.
That's the way it's supposed to be firing,
Exactly.
like that.
Yes.
Oh, fantastic.
It's tipped up.
And the pressure is 2000 psi.
This is actually 150.
Oh, 100. Okay. Oh, that's good. Good news. So which means everything's going to be okay. Wow. So you see, guys, I've had the privilege of being brought into the workshop, and they've just shown me how they fix the injector nozzles. They've actually replaced the tip of the injector nozzle, and it's firing just quite okay. So now they are going to just assemble everything back together, and then we want to see how it runs, how it performs. But I'm keeping you updated. Just keep on tune. Look at that. Oh, it's firing quite okay, isn't it?
Yeah. That's the foam vapor on the fire.
And that's the third one he's testing. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's the third one. And then he's going to test this last one, the fourth injector. See how it goes. That's the fourth one. Is that one okay?
Yeah, it is. It's okay. Come on, so Mr. Blue.
Yeah. So that sounds good. So this is what they do. They repair injectors here. Look at that. Okay. So the nozzles have been replaced. So these are the tips that you replaced, eh?
Yes,
Those are stainless steel.
These are the nozzle tips, yeah.
Ah, okay.
Where are the spanners?
They're inside the vehicle over there. So the tips have been replaced, and Mr. Blue is being assembled, and this is how we do it. Okay.
Manga sema wanataka manga. Natakuwa kutana.
So he's replacing new washers on there as well. Are they supposed to be copper washers or just these are aluminium? Eh?
Yes.
Yeah, aluminium.
Oh.
The same as the ones that were there initially.
Oh, okay.
Stiende la mamma del qua.
So Mr. Blue has started. So we're just trying to flip. So Mr. Blue has been serviced, and the diesel filter has been changed, the nozzles have been changed, and now we're going to change the oil filter and also the oil, drain the oil and put new oil. So thank you for watching, thank you for tuning in, and thank you for subscribing, thank you for supporting the channel. It's adios, and I will see you in the next video. God bless you from wherever you're watching from. Bye bye.